Consumer trends are driving companies to think outside the box and be more innovative than ever.
Here with a first-hand look at the most impactful consumer trends of 2016 and how they are revolutionizing the automotive industry is Emmy Award-winning consumer tech journalist Jennifer Jolly. Hi, Jennifer.
Hi.
Okay, so tell us how sustainable materials like agave are being used to create vehicle parts and why.
Well, check this out. This is what's left over. These are agave husks. It's what's left over after the agave is used to make tequila. So 700,000 pounds of this go into 1 year of tequila making. Instead of just putting this back into the earth, Ford's turning it into a bioplastic that's replacing petroleum-based plastic in the car interior. About 400 pounds of petroleum-based plastic is inside each car in America. So swapping that out for something sustainable cuts down on emissions, could potentially cut the price of our cars, and obviously is great for the planet.
Now, it seems like autonomous vehicles are all anyone talks about anymore when it comes to auto companies. When can consumers expect to see them on the roads and have access to them?
In 4.5 years from now, a car like this one, this is Ford's prototype of a Class 4 autonomous vehicle. These kinds of cars will be driving people around in ride-sharing kinds of opportunities. So you order up a car in the morning, or you touch an app on your phone, and a car shows up, or a vehicle shows up to take you to work or wherever you need to go. Now, what makes it a Class 4? Eventually, there will be no steering wheel, no gas pedal, no brakes. Instead, LiDAR, light-sensitive radars, and these really high-intensity cameras, arrays of those, they will be the eyes, ears, and all the senses of the car. All that information is processed through a supercomputer that can process all of that a lot faster than our brains, and the car will be point A, point B, point C, everything you need to get where you're going.
Consumer tech journalist Jennifer Jolly, always great having you here on Coffee with America. Thank you so much for being here.
Thank you so much for having me.